Now, this is unit number 6, thermodynamic. तो what is meaning of thermodynamic? तो थर्म का मतलब होता है टेम्परेचर और डायनेमिक का मतलब होता है मोशन. तो thermodynamic means modern branch of science with the help of which we can find out how much amount of energy is required to convert maximum reactant into product. Clear? So what is thermodynamic? So thermodynamic is modern branch of science with the help of which we can find out how much amount of energy is required to start or to convert maximum reactant into product. Clear? तो what is drawback of thermodynamic? तो thermodynamic का drawback क्या आता है? तो with the help of thermodynamic we cannot find out speed of the reaction. It means speed of reaction cannot be determined with the help of thermodynamic. तो जहाँ पे थर्मो खत्म होता है ना, वहाँ से न्यू ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस विल स्टार्ट, उसको बोलते हैं केमिकल काइनेटिक. क्लियर? केमिकल काइनेटिक का मतलब क्या आता है वो आपको 12th में आएगा. तो केमिकल काइनेटिक आपको थर्मो नहीं आएगा, तो 12th के केमिकल काइनेटिक में प्रॉब्लम होगा. तो नाउ टू एक्सप्लेन थर्मोडायनेमिक, हियर सम बेसिक टर्मिनोलॉजी इज रिक्वायर्ड. वो सब हम लोग यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे. क्लियर? तो थर्मोडायनेमिक इज कंबाइंड टॉपिक व्हिच विल कम इन केस ऑफ फिजिक्स एज वेल एज केमिस्ट्री. हियर दोनों में आता है. इन केमिस्ट्री वी विल डिस्कस केमिकल पैरामीटर, व्हाइल इन फिजिक्स वी विल डिस्कस हियर फिजिकल पैरामीटर. तो देखो यहाँ पे क्या है, केमिकल एनर्जी है ना. केमिकल एनर्जी स्टोर्ड बाय मॉलिक्यूल कैन बी रिलीज एज हीट during chemical reaction when a fuel like methane, cooking gas or coal burns in air. Whenever any material will burn, then it will release its chemical energy. Now chemical energy may also be used to mechanical work when a fuel burns in an engine, or to provide electrical energy through a galvanic cell like dry cell. ये आपको 12th में आएगा. क्लियर हुआ कि नहीं? तो देखो अभी जैसे सेल है, बैटरी है, उसमें भी क्या होता है, वी आर यूजिंग दिस केमिकल एनर्जी. तो नाउ नेक्स्ट वन अब आता है, thus we can say that here various forms of energy are interrelated, and under certain condition these may be transformed from one form into another one. क्लियर हुआ कि नहीं? Thus, various forms of energy are interrelated, and under certain condition, these may be transformed from one form into another one. Clear? So now, the study of these energy transformation, forms the subject matter of thermodynamic. तो यही सब चीजें आपको थर्मोडायनेमिक में डिस्कस करना है. The laws of thermodynamics deal with energy change of macroscopic system involving a large number of molecules rather than microscopic system containing a few molecules. So two different type of systems are, one we can say that macro and second one is micro. Macro मतलब huge one and micro मतलब smaller one. Clear? अब देखो here some laws are there, वो धीरे धीरे हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे. Now here thermodynamic is not concerned about how and what rate है ना, rate these energy transformations are carried out, but it is based on initial and final state of the system undergoing the change. मैंने क्या बोला था? तो थर्मोडायनेमिक में स्पीड का कोई लेन देन नहीं होता है. क्लियर? The laws of thermodynamics apply only when a system is in equilibrium. आप laws कब apply करोगे? तो whenever we can say system is again in equilibrium or moves from one equilibrium state to another equilibrium state. तो macroscopic properties like pressure है ना, pressure, temperature do not change with time for a system in equilibrium state. Clear? Here we can this type of property which will not change. So here is pressure and temperature. During equilibrium state, here temperature and pressure will not change. Clear? चलो तब जैसे यहाँ पे मैं बोलूँ कि अभी आपने सिस्टम वर्ड सुना, तो सिस्टम क्या है, सराउंडिंग क्या है, तो वो सब हम लोग यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे. क्लियर हुआ कि नहीं? जैसे टेस्ट ट्यूब है तो टेस्ट ट्यूब का जो इंटरनल एरिया होता है तो दिस वन इज नथिंग बट इट इज वी कैन से दैट सिस्टम। टेस्ट ट्यूब के बाहर का जो एरिया होता है तो दिस वन इज नथिंग बट इट इज वी कैन से दैट सराउंडिंग। क्लियर? मतलब आप ऐसा बोल सकते हो कि थर्मोडायनेमिक्स से वी कैन फाइंड आउट हियर अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी बट स्पीड कैन नॉट बी डिटरमाइंड। क्लियर? तो नाउ इन दिस यूनिट we would like to answer some important, here we can say that, questions through thermodynamics. Clear? तो कौन सा क्वेश्चन? नंबर 1, how, देखो पहला क्वेश्चन, how do we determine the energy change, मतलब डेल्टा E involved in a chemical reaction or process? ये पहला क्वेश्चन है, will it occur or not, है ना? उसके बाद सेकंड वन, see what drives a chemical reaction or process, and third one, to what extent do the chemical reaction proceed? Clear? So whenever we can say that we are doing any chemical reaction, then three different type of problem will come. First of all, change in energy. Second one is chemical, how this chemical reaction will proceed, and third one, extent of reaction. Clear? सर मैं कि नहीं, देखो मैं आपको अभी तक ब्रीफ अप कर दूं। तो जैसे ये थर्मोडायनेमिक है तो दिस वन इज थर्मोडायनेमिक। क्लियर? तो थर्मोडायनेमिक क्या होता है? हियर एनर्जी कैन बी डिटरमाइंड। क्लियर? बट हियर वी कैन से दैट स्पीड, उसी को हम लोग बोलते हैं रेट। तो स्पीड ऑफ रिएक्शन कैन नॉट बी डिटरमाइंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक। क्लियर? एंड whenever you are interested, से कोई भी मैटर है तो दिस मैटर इज रिलेटेड विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू सम एनर्जी। तो इस एनर्जी को हम लोग चेंज करेंगे वन फॉर्म इनटू अनदर वन। कैसे? तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ सम पैरामीटर। तो उसमें एक आता है टेम्परेचर और दूसरा आता है प्रेशर। तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ टेम्परेचर एंड प्रेशर दिस स्टोर अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी is converted into another form. It depends upon, again we can say that, our requirement. Clear? जैसे अभी शुगर है, शुगर को आपको पानी में डिसॉल्व करना है। क्लियर हुआ? तो रूम टेम्परेचर पे रेट ऑफ डिसोल्यूशन विल बी स्लो, लेकिन जैसे ही आपने टेम्परेचर बढ़ाया, हियर वी कैन से दैट स्पीड विल इंक्रीजेस हियर। क्लियर? अब आपको स्लोली हीट करना है तो स्लो फॉर्म का एनर्जी लो, स्पीडली हीट करना है तो स्पीड वाला लो। इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन अगेन आवर रिक्वायरमेंट। क्लियर? तो नाउ अब आता है थर्मोडायनेमिक स्टेट। इन केस ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक स्टेट सी, तो वी आर इंटरेस्टेड इन केमिकल रिएक्शन एंड द एनर्जी चेंज accompanying them. Clear? We are interested in chemical reaction and energy changes accompanying them. In order to quantify, मतलब number, in order to quantify these energy changes, we need to separate the system which is under observation, clear, from remaining part of the universe. तब यहाँ पे एक नया वर्ड आया कि भाई ये सिस्टम यूनिवर्स है ना। तो आपको क्या करना है, जैसे देखो अभी मैं ये टेस्ट ट्यूब लूं, ध्यान से सुनना। जैसे ये टेस्ट ट्यूब है, क्लियर, इसके अंदर जो होता है तो दिस इज नॉर्मली नोन एज सिस्टम। क्लियर? ये बाउंड्री के बाहर का जो होता है तो दैट इज नथिंग बट इट इज वी कैन से दैट सराउंडिंग। क्लियर? और सिस्टम प्लस बाउंड्री प्लस सराउंडिंग इज इक्वल टू एटमॉस्फेयर। क्लियर? सिस्टम प्लस बाउंड्री ऑफ कंटेनर plus surrounding is equal to, we can say that, atmosphere. So now we will discuss here important terms which we are continuously using in thermodynamics. तो चलो system and surrounding, तो ये मैंने क्या बोला, सी, तो system, here system in thermodynamics refer to that part of the universe in which observation are made and remaining universe constitute the surrounding. Clear? अंदर की बात चल रही है। The surrounding, ये तो सिस्टम की बात हुई। Now we will discuss here surrounding. The surrounding include everything other than the system. Other than the system, whatever thing is present, उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Surrounding. Now system and surrounding together constitute the universe. तो यही हम लोग ने क्या बोला? Universe is equal to system plus surrounding, जो मैंने आपको यहाँ बताया था। Now, however, entire universe other than system is not affected by changes, clear, taking place in the system. However, the entire universe other than the system is not affected by the changes taking place in the system. मतलब जो भी change हो रहा है तो this will be take place inside closed one, inside this boundary, clear. Therefore, for all practical purpose, the surrounding are that portion of the remaining universe which can interact with the system, clear. यूनिवर्स से अलग है ना, बाउंड्री के अंदर का जो होता है, तो दिस वन इज नथिंग बट इट वी कंसीडर सिस्टम. देखो फिर से बता दे रहा हूँ, टेस्ट ट्यूब के अंदर का एरिया सिस्टम होता है और बाउंड्री के बाहर का एरिया सराउंडिंग होता है. जैसे आप रूम है ना, आपके घर का जो रूम है इट इज सेपरेटेड आउट विद द हेल्प ऑफ बाउंड्री. तो बाउंड्री के अंदर का जो है वो सिस्टम और बाउंड्री के बाहर का जो है वो सराउंडिंग है. फिर सिस्टम प्लस बाउंड्री plus surrounding is equal to atmosphere, or we can say that universe will come, clear. Now and this is remaining portion of thermodynamics. तो अभी मैंने क्या बोला था, system, surrounding and then after universe. So now here usually the region of space in the neighborhood of the system constitute its surrounding. Clear हुआ? The region of space in the neighborhood of the system constitute its surrounding. Example में देखो, if we are studying the reaction between two substance A and then after we consider B. If we are studying the reaction between two substance A and B kept in a beaker, the beaker containing the reaction mixture is system, clear, and the room where the beaker is kept is we can say that surrounding. क्लियर हुआ? जैसे फिगर है तो बीकर के अंदर का सिस्टम है, बीकर के बाहर का क्या है, सराउंडिंग है. क्लियर? और दोनों के यदि मैं कंबाइन करूं क्लियर, यूनिवर्स विल बी देयर. तो दिस इज कंप्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ सिस्टम एज वेल एज सराउंडिंग. नाउ द सिस्टम मे बी डिफाइंड बाय फिजिकल बाउंड्री. सिस्टम मे बी डिफाइंड बाय फिजिकल बाउंड्री लाइक बीकर or test tube, or we can say that system may simply be defined by set of Cartesian coordinate specifying a particular volume in space. Clear? So note that system may be defined by physical boundary like beaker or test tube, or we can say that here or the system may simply be defined by set of Cartesian coordinate specifying a particular volume in space. Clear? Now it is necessary to think of the system as separated from the surrounding by some sort of wall. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? Which may be real or imaginary. Clear? The wall that separate the system from the surrounding is known as boundary. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? It is nothing but it is normally known as boundary. So this is designed to allow us to control and keep track of all movement of matter and energy. Matter means M and energy का मतलब E. In or out of the system. Clear? It is necessary to think of the system as separated from surrounding by some sort of the wall which may be real or imaginary. The wall that separate the system from surrounding is known as boundary. So this is designed to allow us to control and keep track of all movement of matter and energy in or out of the system. Clear? So now we will discuss here means types of system. चलो system हो गया, surrounding हो गया, atmosphere. So types of system. So we further classify the system according to the movement of matter. Here we can say that movement. So movement of matter and energy in or out of the system. Here three different type of system is there. One is open, then closed and isolated. So three different type of system is there: open, closed and then after isolated. So now we will discuss here one by one here definition as well as example. So what is open system? So see here there is exchange of energy and matter, energy of matter between system and surrounding. The presence of reaction in an open beaker is an example of an open system. Here the boundary is an imaginary surface enclosing the beaker and reactant. देखो ये open system है. M मतलब matter और energy. Here exchange of matter and energy both are, we can say that, possible here. Now we will discuss here closed system. तो closed में क्या होगा? There is no exchange of matter. Here exchange of matter is not possible, but exchange of energy is possible. Matter is not possible, energy is possible between system and surrounding. Now the presence of reactant in a closed vessel made of conducting material. तो conducting material में क्या आएगा? कॉपर आएगा, है ना? कॉपर और स्टील is an example of closed system. Clear? अब आता है ये रहा, देखो मैटर और ये एनर्जी. Now next one is isolated system. तो isolated में क्या आएगा? No exchange of energy. No exchange of energy or matter between the system and surrounding. There is no exchange of energy or matter between the system and surrounding. The presence of reactant in a thermos flask. ये देखो ये क्या है? Thermos flask है, which is insulated, or any other closed insulated vessel is an example of isolated system. तो ये आपका क्या आ गया? Isolated. So thermos flask is again, we can say that second example of here means isolated system. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? देखो आपको मैंने सिस्टम बता दिया, सराउंडिंग बता दिया, टाइप्स ऑफ सिस्टम बताया. टाइप्स ऑफ सिस्टम में ओपन सिस्टम, क्लोज सिस्टम एंड देन आफ्टर आइसोलेटेड सिस्टम विल बी देयर. क्लियर हुआ कि नहीं? इधर पे देखो ओपन कंटेनर है, ये आपका प्रेशर कुकर ले सकते हो, और ये आपका थर्मस फ्लास्क. तो थर्मस फ्लास्क में ड्यू टू इंसुलेशन here exchange of matter and energy both are, again we can say that, not possible here. Clear? चलो. Now next one is topic number 6.13. तो क्या दिया हुआ है? तो this is state of the system. Clear? So now what is state of the system? So see, the system must be described in order to make any useful calculation by specifying quantitatively each of the properties such as pressure, volume, temperature, as well as the composition of the system. Composition मतलब related with respect to mass. Clear? तो क्या बोला मैंने? The system must be described in order to make any useful calculation by specifying quantitatively each of the property such as pressure, volume, temperature, and as well as the composition of the system. Clear? Now physics course that the state of a system in mechanics is completely specified at given instant of time by the position and, here we can say that, volume of each mass point of the system. So what is, we can say that, definition of a state with respect to physics? So physics course that state of a system in mechanics is completely specified at a given instant of time by the position and velocity of each mass point of the system. Clear? So now in thermodynamics, see, in thermodynamics a different and much simpler concept of state of system is introduced. In thermodynamics, a different and much simpler concept of state of system is introduced. It does not need detailed knowledge of motion of each particle because we deal with average measurable property of the system. We specify the state of the system by state function or state variable. Clear? Again I am repeating, in thermodynamics a different and much simpler concept of state of a system is introduced. It does not need detailed knowledge of motion of each particle because we deal with average measurable properties of the system. We specify the state of the system by state function or state variable. Clear? So here, now next one, the state of thermodynamic system. The state of thermodynamic system is described by its measurable or macroscopic property, measurable as well as macroscopic property. We can describe the state of a gas by quoting its pressure, volume, temperature, amount, etc. So these are also known as state variable or state function because their values depends only on the state of the system and not on how it is reached. देखो ये brief up करके बताऊं तो what is state function? Here we can say that result is important, method is not important. State function मतलब here result is important, method is not important. It is only known as state function. जब आप किसी मटेरियल को हीट करते हो तो हीटिंग इज इम्पोर्टेंट. आप कैसे हीट करते हो मतलब सी गैस से हीट करते हो है ना, सनलाइट से हीट करते हो, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से हीट करते हो. इट इज नॉट वी कैन से दैट आवर कंसर्न. क्लियर? So that is we can say the state function. Now here in order to completely define the state of the system, it is not necessary to define all the property of the system. सभी प्रॉपर्टी की बात नहीं करेगा. As only a certain number of property can be varied independently. Certain number of property मतलब अभी आएगा कोई temperature, pressure, volume, amount. This number depends on the nature of the system. So this number depends on the nature of the system. Once these minimum number of macroscopic property are fixed, other automatically have definite value. Clear? एक को फिक्स कर दो तो दूसरा ऑटोमेटिक फिक्स हो जाता है. So the state of the surrounding can never be completely specified. तो fortunately it is not necessary to do so. मतलब आपको state of the state function किसके लिए applicable होता है? Only for system. It is never related with respect to here me surrounding as well as atmosphere. तो आपको ये पूरा 6.1.3 में क्या करना है? You have to remember only definition. तो what is state function? State function मतलब here result is important, method is not important. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? State function. Now temperature, pressure, volume and then after amount is one type of state function. Next topic is internal energy as a state function. Here we will discuss internal energy. So when we talk about our chemical system losing or gaining energy, when we talk about our chemical system losing or gaining energy, we need to introduce a quantity which represent the total energy of the system. Clear? It may be chemical, it may be we can say chemical, electrical and mechanical or any other type of energy. You may think of sum of all these is the energy of the system. Clear? तो आपको क्या करना है? इंटरनल एनर्जी. तो एनर्जी के बहुत सारे टाइप होते हैं. केमिकल आएगा, इलेक्ट्रिकल आता है, मैकेनिकल आता है, इलेक्ट्रिक है ना, ये सब एनर्जी है. इन थर्मोडायनेमिक वी कॉल इट द इंटरनल एनर्जी. जो भी अलग अलग टाइप है इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ यू. इन थर्मोडायनेमिक क्लियर? इन थर्मोडायनेमिक we call it the internal energy represented with the help of u of the system which may change when see. तो here देखो internal energy कब change होगा? तो whenever heat passes into or out of the system. जब आप heat pass करो. दूसरा work है ना, work is done on or by the system. तो first one is heat. First parameter is again we can say that heat. Second parameter is again means work and third one matter. So matter enters or leaves the system. So here we can say that one of the important thing it is we can say that matter. Clear हुआ? It is nothing but it is again we can say that matter. So whenever you are interested to change internal energy then here means two parameter is important. So one we can say that heat and second one we can say that work is there. Clear? अब heat और work it is directly associated with respect to nature of material. Clear?